In today's video, I will teach you how to generate fluorescent anime portraits using AI. Let's get started. Whether you're creating a stylized profile picture, fantasy art, or just experimenting with visual effects, Photor's fluorescent AI art style makes it easy for anyone to transform a normal image into a neon-soaked anime portrait. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, we'll walk you through every step so you can generate your very own glowing anime portrait in minutes. Start by launching your browser and heading to Photor AI Artifacts. Now, click the Upload button or simply drag your file into the upload area. And you can choose any kind of image, but portraits, especially close-ups, yield the best results. It is also recommended to choose a portrait with a clean background to make the fluorescent glow pop more dramatically. After uploading your image, look at the left side panel where the AI effects are categorized. Now scroll down to the Universal section and click on the cell labeled Fluorescent. And the AI will instantly process the image and apply the glowing anime effect. This typically takes about 10 seconds. Then you'll see your image transformed into a vivid, high-contrast anime portrait with glowing neon hues, much like cyberpunk or vaporwave aesthetics. Once the transformation is complete, you can click the Compare button at the lower right corner to toggle between the before and after views. And if your result doesn't quite match your vision, you can click the Regenerate button located on the effect thumbnail to let the AI create another version. And you can regenerate as many times as needed until you get the perfect look. If you like the effect and want to reuse it later, you can hover over the effect thumbnail and click on the star icon to add it to your favorites. And you can access all your stored effects under the Favorites tab. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can click the Download button to save your image. And here are some pro tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.